Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase the text box size without enlarging the text box. So here you can see if I try to increase the text box size, it just increases the text together with the text box. So this comes down to when you are creating a text box. So you need to click on this tool type here. So instead of doing a single point creating a text box, click on this tool type and then just simply drag out your text box and start typing. And in here, just click on the arrow to finish. Here you can see now I can increase the text box without increasing the text size, or if I increase the text size, it will not increase the text box. So if I go to here, fix control, and then we expand. Here I can increase the text size without increasing the text box. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.